All right, so got ourselves 1993 Mazda Miata, and today's episode on what the hell broke. Slave cylinder CS 2152. This little guy here. Oh, almost nut tapped. Oh, jeez. All right, this little dude goes on the transmission. Put your clutch pedal in, the master cylinder pushes fluid here and pushes it out and pushes your clutch pressure plate. Releases pressure off of the clutch and lets your clutch not hit the flywheel
while you're changing gears.
And hey, a Ferrari sticker. Let your power be released from the rear wheels.
Think it's high enough?
Nah, bro, we need a lift.
That's what I thought.
Okay. Anyways, there's 2 bolts for this process, and you're gonna need a flare nut wrench or just a wrench of some sort to get the line disconnected. So, pretty simple process here. We'll show you everything you need to do.
I really don't want to do this.
All right, so ours is leaking inside here. Just sealed it. Control the piston that moves up and down. Ours is leaking in there. This boot covers it a little bit, but anyways, yeah, not good. So we have a stainless steel braided line. Put description too. Comes from the master cylinder all the way down, straight down. It's a slave cylinder, and that is this guy here. So ours was leaking in here, coming out of there. So first we're gonna want to loosen this nut here to get that stainless steel line off. Now yours is not gonna look like this if it's from the factory. Yours gonna have a weird looking spiral line and then go into it. Same concept though. You're gonna take this off first and then these 2 nuts, take that off, and it's gonna pull right out.
This is tasty. Okay, you know what? Let's see this little contraption here. The stainless steel braided line. Hardest thing in the world to bleed. It's just a pain in the butt. So it likes to stay in place. Is it the bottom piece or the top? I don't remember. I'm pretty sure the bottom piece is supposed to twist separate, but it's not. It's not rotating. There you go. It's gonna take 5 years. I was thinking it might take 5 years, bro. That's a good bit. I was thinking it'd probably take 5 years. I don't know, I just random thought.
Alright, here's the old one. The seal inside here is leaking. She garbage. New one, we already put this guy on. This is for stainless steel brake line conversion. Makes things 10 times easier. So yeah, let's put her on.
I think they can chill a little bit, bro.
Huh?
I think they can chill.
Bro, for real.
I'm not Chris Fix yet.
Yet. It's good and tight. Click.
Yeah, right.
So you enter both these bolts in here. They hold the slave cylinder in place, and now we have our line here, and we're just gonna hand tighten that on there. So that line is just gonna go directly on that guy there, our little nipple. And make sure when you put this in that the slave cylinder push rod is
inside that clutch fork.
Inside the clutch fork there. It's a major important key there. But yeah. So now we're gonna put the line on.
How tight we getting here?
Just good and tight.
And did you already tighten up the other one?
Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna go into the bleeding process. Get yourself 8 millimeter.
Yes, sir.
And show them how to loosen it. It's tightening. You're tightening. Loose it, bro. You're gonna break that. I'm gonna cry. There you go. So you crack that baby loose. All right. And you're tighten it back up now, Ashton. Just always make sure it comes out before trying to do it with pressure. Alright, so now that she's tight, you're gonna have someone go in the inside, pump the brake pedal, the clutch pedal until it feels a little stiff, right? And then with him holding the clutch pedal down, someone's gonna crack that bleeder valve open, still holding that clutch pedal down, wait until, you know, all the air fluid stops moving out of the bleeder valve, and then you're gonna tighten the bleeder valve still with the clutch pedal down. After it's all the way tight, with the clutch pedal down still, you're gonna start pumping up again. It's gonna draw fluid from there. It's almost like a vacuum. Pressure's there, he releases it, it's still there, tightens back up, and then more keeps going. It's a continuous process. And now we're gonna do that process. We're back on the 4 wheels, we're gonna test her out. Everything feels good though.